In this video, I'm going to show you how, as a contractor, you can hand off the system to the homeowner. First, get the system installed as normal. Wire up your lighting controls and any outlets that are involved in the system. Then, using the gateway in the Home Plus Control app, you can connect all the devices to the Zigbee network, set up rooms, name devices, set up three-ways. Once everything's set up, you can announce to the homeowner that you're all done, you've completed the installation and set up the app for them, at which point they're going to be pretty excited and they're going to want to use it as well. To transfer over access, all you're going to need to do is use the Home Plus Control app guest feature, where you can simply text them a link. From that link, they can set up their account. Once they have their account set up, they can access all the devices and everything on the system. And then at that point, you can be paid and removed from the system and on to the next job. And here, I'll show you how to do that. Pull up the Home Plus Control app with an existing system, and we're going to go into the settings here in the top left, and we're going to go into the guest feature. The guest feature is going to show who has access to this gateway. Currently, it's listed as myself only, but I can use the Invite User button. That's going to bring up a share screen, so I can simply hit copy, and that'll be copied to my clipboard, and I can text a link to the homeowner. Or I can go up here and, for example, I can send an email. So if I have their email address, it'll bring up an email. This is what the email will show, and it'll send a secure link to the homeowner that they can click on when they receive the email. And here's what the email looks like. They just have to go in and click on the email. In this case, the link brings you to a specific home. You'll see 123 Main Street is linked on that. So the homeowner just has to either sign up or log in. And so if they haven't signed up before, they'll just create a username and password, agree to the terms and conditions, and they're in. In this case, I already have an email account set up, so I just have to log in with that email address and password. And as soon as you do that, you'll see this user now has access to the 123 Main Street account. And this is the view of the app from the homeowner's login. So you'll see when we go into settings and we go into the guest feature, now you're going to see the myself is listed with the email address that's currently viewing the app. So there's myself, and then the contractor at this point are still have equal access to the gateway and account. So the homeowner could go in and check everything, make sure all systems are going, make any adjustments, have any questions for the contractor, and then the homeowner could go back into guests, see both herself and the contractor, and then remove the contractor from the home. And at this point, the contractor would get an email notification saying that they've been removed. And then at that point, only the homeowner is set on the account. So going forward, they'll be all set.